that's interesting. You hear that? There's a fire alarm in MVB where I've just been working, and it sounded really cool. The room I was working in, the Mac Labs, it has a very loud background noise because there are servers standing in there, and then suddenly there was a click and there was silence, and I was like, oh shit, what's going on? And then I heard really silently, much like I hear now, an alarm going off. I was like, okay, interesting. Then I looked outside because there's a glass window. I can show you some other time the room I'm working in. I have planned to do that anyway because there's the pot in it and I want to show you the pot at some point. Anyway, so I saw outside and I saw everybody was packing. I was like, okay, apparently I should get out of here as well. And now security tells the people to go somewhere. I see. I didn't even log off. I just left everything. I took my jacket, which has the camera in it, and I just. Do I need to leave? They're all going. I might just take my bike and go home. Do I need to leave? Okay, I need to move. Right, and you need to make your backup. I might keep you updated. No, I will actually stay here because I have a lecture in an hour. So I follow the crowds now to the meeting point, the thing point, and yeah. Right, so you go make your backup and I watch MVB burn down. Or so, I don't know. I don't even know what's going on. I don't see smoke or anything. Yeah. It's very unlikely that I'm gonna die, but you know, you never know. But yeah, it's likely that your hard drive or SSD or whatever will die, so make your backup. Damn it, once again. And I will and I will talk to you tomorrow. One last look at MVB. Tomorrow it might be burnt down. Probably.